Hi guys, my name is Akshit, and I promise after this activity you will not only stand out among your college peers but will also become a leader. I'm here to share with you the biggest offline activity of ISP 11 program, which is ISP seminar and mentoring sessions. This activity will play a very important role in your career. So let's start. What are ISP offline activities? ISP offline activities are on campus initiative which you will take part in to inculcate a culture of meaningful internship on your campus. These include hosting seminar and mentoring sessions through which you will help your college friends to find a dream internship through Internshala. In the seminar, you will be given an official presentation which you will present in front of your college students. You will tell them how they can kickstart their career by finding their dream internship through Internshala. In the mentoring sessions, which you'll host after the seminar, you will now educate your college students how to make a better application on Internshala by reviewing their application and assisting them throughout the process. Hence, increasing their chance of getting selected for an internship. So now let's talk about why you must host an ISP seminar and organize mentoring sessions in your college. Hosting an ISP seminar and mentoring sessions is the biggest opportunity in the ISP program which will help you to discover your true potential. This opportunity will help you to become a mentor, a marketer, a leader, and ultimately own the title of Internshala student partner. You will develop essential skills like communication, event management, mentoring, and interpersonal skills. You will brand yourself as a single most important point of contact regarding internships. You will also learn the art of giving presentation, which is one of the most important skill required in today's corporate world. Most importantly, you'll empower so many students to kickstart their career, and hence you'll truly embark on your leadership journey. To make things further exciting for you, we will be giving away huge rewards for this activity. You will earn up to 50 ISP points for hosting a seminar. You will earn ISP points for helping students to make good applications. Top 10 ISPs conducting maximum number of mentoring sessions will get weekly rewards, that is gift vouchers. Internshala goodies will be given to top performers. Special certificate of appreciation will be given to the ISPs hosting these seminars. Please note, the detailed reward plan will be shared with you in your ISP seminar kit. So guys, you need 60 ISP points to get your completion certificate. And just by hosting a seminar, there is a chance for you to score 50 ISP points. Sounds great, right? So what are the next steps? We will be providing you all the necessary documents which you need to host the seminar and mentoring sessions. All you need to do is fill the ISP form so that we can email you your exclusive ISP seminar kit. As I told you, this kit will contain everything you would need to host a seminar and mentoring sessions. So hurry up, I don't want you to miss out on this great learning opportunity. Hope you're really excited to host your first seminar and a lot of mentoring sessions after that. If you have any queries regarding ISP offline activities, you can drop us your query using your help center. All the best.